Hi guys, so I finally got to wear the Freetress Equal Venetian wig I made. It took me forever to figure out how I was going to do it, but now I finally got it. I left some leave out. I had to straighten my natural hair, so that's why it's not as silky smooth as it could be. But with this hair it works. And this is my natural hair. I left very little, so I don't have to worry about blending. So what I did, because I didn't like how bulky the hair was at the top, is I took like a good amount of hair out, like 4 or 5 rows, and then when I did the bangs, I straightened pieces of it somewhat to kind of calm down the curl because it was too much for me, and then it'll be able to flip over better. But I really like the hair. This is actually my first time wearing it, so I can't really give like a valid update of how good the hair keeps up. But it does tangle. It does tangle when you comb it out. However, it's still really nice hair, and for the price, who cares? Nobody's gonna be running their hand through your hair anyway. And I forgot to say that I cut like 2 inches off the bottom to thin out so it wouldn't look so stringy at the ends, because it was too much bulk up here and then it was too thin down here. So I had to cut out 2 inches and then thin it out so it was like a smooth transition. So it's probably not 22 inches anymore, it's probably like 20. But I still love the hair, and I'm gonna take pictures and then start it after. So thank you for watching. I still love the hair. The luster's great. It's not so shiny that my hair stands out. It actually is the same luster as my natural hair straightened, so that's awesome. And I like the little bit of color with the 4/30 highlight at the top. Looks really nice. And I really like it now. At first I wasn't sure, but now I really like it. And I'm going out tonight, so I might insert pictures from that at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll give you an update later. Bye.